Imagine missing out on the easiest money you've never made simply because you didn't click play. Today, we're exposing the top secrets of affiliate marketing that could turn your spare time into cash that 90% get it wrong. Stick around to make sure you're not one of them. First things first, succeeding in affiliate marketing is all about alignment. Picture this: you've got a blog about mountain biking. Your readers, passionate about hitting the trails and exploring nature, look to you for the best gear and gadgets. Would you then promote makeup or kitchen appliances? Of course not. That mismatch is exactly where many beginners slip up. They choose products that don't align with their niche or audience interests, and as a result, the trust begins to erode, and so does their potential income. Now, why is selecting the right product so crucial? When you promote products that resonate with your audience's interests and needs, conversions spike. Your recommendations come off as genuine, making your audience more likely to make a purchase. It's a win-win. They get quality products they're already inclined to buy, and you earn your commission. This brings us to another cornerstone of affiliate marketing: working with reputable platforms. Think of platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale as your gateways to success. These platforms offer wide product selections across numerous niches, high commission rates, and most importantly, reliability. Their established reputation means you're less likely to face issues with payouts or product quality. Plus, their extensive resources and support can guide you through optimizing your affiliate marketing strategy for heightened success. Imagine stumbling upon a blog post or a video that not only answers a pressing question you've had about a product, but also entertains you. That's the sweet spot in affiliate marketing. High-quality, engaging content does more than just sell. It solves problems, educates, and builds trust. And when your audience trusts you, they listen to your recommendations. Now think about the last time you Googled a question and found an article that was so engaging, you found yourself clicking through to learn more. That's the power of content that's tailored to solving problems or answering questions. Whether it's a detailed blog post about the 10 best fitness trackers of the year, a video demonstration on how to use a new tech gadget, or an Instagram post showing the benefits of a skincare product, content that adds value is king. Creating this type of content requires understanding not just the products you're promoting, but also the needs and interests of your audience. What questions are they asking? What problems do they need solved? When you can bridge the gap between product features and the benefits your audience is seeking, you've struck gold. But here's the kicker: it's not just about what you're saying, but how you're saying it. Keeping your content relatable, entertaining, and easily digestible encourages sharing, comments, and most importantly, action. Incorporate stories, case studies, and personal experiences to make your content resonate even more. Remember, the ultimate goal of your content isn't just to inform, it's to inspire action. Whether that's subscribing to a newsletter, following a social media account, or making a purchase, each piece of content should have a clear call to action. When we talk about affiliate marketing, imagine you're planting a garden. Your ultimate goal is to see those plants thrive, right? Similarly, in affiliate marketing, your website is the garden and the products or services you're promoting are the plants. Now, how do we ensure they grow abundantly? Foundational to this is SEO, or search engine optimization. Think of SEO as the sunlight, water, and soil quality combined vital for growth. First up, targeted keywords. These are like choosing the right spot in your garden for each plant based on how much sun it needs. Through research, find what your audience is searching for related to your niche, and use those keywords in your content. This ensures that when someone searches for those terms, your site has better chances to show up in the search results. Next, we talk about creating quality backlinks. If targeted keywords are choosing the right spot for sunlight, backlinks are like having a network of friends who vouch for how great your garden is. When reputable sites link back to your content, search engines see your site as more credible, pushing you up in the rankings. Lastly, optimizing site speed. This might seem a bit on the nose, but imagine your garden is hard to reach, requiring a long, complicated path to get there. People might give up before they even see how great it is. Similarly, if your site takes too long to load, visitors could leave before even reading your content. Ensuring your site is quick and responsive is like having a smooth, clear path to your garden. It encourages visitors to stay and explore. By focusing on these 3 areas, you're setting your affiliate marketing efforts up for success, similar to how proper care ensures a garden thrives. Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. In affiliate marketing, promoting irrelevant or low-quality products can ruin your reputation. It's like recommending a restaurant that gives your friend food poisoning, not a good look. Stick to products that match your audience's interests and needs to maintain credibility. Imagine you're a museum curator. You wouldn't showcase art that doesn't match your exhibit's theme, right? Well, affiliate marketing operates similarly. It's about offering products that resonate with your audience and build trust. Pushing low-quality items may yield quick commissions, but it erodes trust very fast. But how exactly do you ensure that you're promoting the right products? It starts with doing your homework, research the products extensively before recommending them. Think of yourself as the first line of defense against the vast sea of inadequate products. Ask yourself, would I use this product? Does it align with my audience's values and interests? Is the quality up to par? Remember, in affiliate marketing, your reputation is your most valuable asset. Guard it fiercely by being selective with your promotions, and your audience will thank you by sticking around and even advocating on your behalf. Picture finding the perfect coffee shop. It's cozy, the coffee is top-notch, and it feels like they know exactly what you want before you even order. Now think about what would happen if one day you walked in and instead of that warm greeting, you were bombarded with sales pitches for everything from teapots to toasters. You'd probably start looking for a new coffee spot, right? That's exactly how your audience feels when bombarded with aggressive sales tactics in affiliate marketing. Trust is like a delicate flower in the world of affiliate marketing. It needs to be nurtured and cared for, not trampled over by the rush to make a quick sale. When you're too pushy or fail to disclose that you're making a commission off the products you recommend, it's akin to pouring ice water over that trust. Your audience isn't just looking for products. They're seeking honest recommendations from someone they believe in. But here's where it gets tricky. How do you balance promoting products and maintaining that crucial trust? It's simple, really. Always put your audience first. Before making any recommendation, ask yourself if this is truly beneficial for them. Will it solve a problem, enrich their lives, or bring them joy? If the answer is a resounding yes, you're on the right track. And about disclosure, it's not just a good practice, it's essential. Being upfront about affiliate links reassures your viewers that you're being honest with them. It shows that while you do benefit from their purchases, their trust means more to you than any commission. Navigating the world of affiliate marketing feels a lot like navigating a tightrope. On one side, you've got the promise of earning through promoting products you love. On the other, there's the potential pitfall of losing the trust of your audience. Today, we're focusing on a common slip-up that can send you off balance, relying solely on paid advertising without a solid content strategy. Imagine for a moment every time you logged into social media or visited a website, you were bombarded with ad after ad, all screaming for your attention but offering little value. It gets exhausting, doesn't it? That's exactly how your audience feels when they only see paid promotions from you. The truth is, while ads can be a powerful tool for traffic, they're not a standalone solution. Here's the kicker: people crave connection. They're drawn to stories, personal experiences, and genuine recommendations. That's where content comes in. By intertwining thoughtful, value-packed content with your affiliate marketing efforts, you not only provide your audience with the engaging experiences they seek, but also build a relationship based on trust and not just transactions. Now you might be wondering, how do you create this magical content that entertains, educates, and inspires? Start with your passions and your audience's needs. Whether it's through how-to guides, real-life product reviews, or sharing personal experiences, the goal is to make every piece of content a step towards solving their problems or enhancing their lives. Remember, quality over quantity always wins the race. But here's where things get really interesting. When you strike the right balance between paid advertising and compelling content, you create a marketing symphony that sings to the tune of higher engagement, loyalty, and yes, conversions. It's about painting a bigger picture where ads draw them in and your content makes them stay and say, "Tell me more."